Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for your support. If you haven't watched my previous video on immigration, please watch it here. And now I will show you my room, how it looks like and where I am staying. So I am at Hamilton house. So this is the house actually. You can see the right. This is my room. From here I need to go. I will show you in a while. But besides, so you can see right. This is the houses here. Sky is very clear. This is the gate. This is another room, another house, sorry. And this is how it looks like. And this is the entrance here. So this is the entrance. You need to click that to ring the bell. So we need to click that to ring the bell, and there's another house. Hamilton 12 to 22. Many are there here, 17A, 17B. So in the whole house you can see flights. So this is the Hamilton house. So in this many are there, like this is like detached house or something, I don't know the name, but all these are combined. So all these are combined, and in between they have their separate rooms. Okay, so let us go inside to our house. Temperature. We have bathroom here. This is the kitchen. So as bachelors live here, so it will be like this only. So this is the kitchen, you can see. So apart from me, like around 6 to 7 people are living here. So this is the gas, groceries, this is the sink, the washing machine, dustbin, the dining table kind of. We can put our utensils here. You can sit and relax. And this is the fridges, like there are 3 refrigerators here. And this is like back side. Okay, so this is the kitchen in the downside. So it is early morning, that's why no one is there. So this is another room, 2 people live here. Okay, so we'll go upstairs. One, two, three. Is one more bathroom. So this is one more bathroom. Okay, 2 bathrooms. We get hot water also here. We get hot water also. Already bathed and fresh up. As you can see, you don't have mugs and buckets. Need to use tissue papers. This is my room. My laptop. One more person live here. My clothes, my baggage. It is a gift from my Vadina, my brother's wife. So this is my bed. So this is our room, right? We'll stay it initially for 1 or 2 months, then let us see what happens. Okay, so that is my room tour in London. It is a quiet place actually. I liked it, but we need to see initially how it will be. And I have talked with all the roommates. They are also good and they are friendly also. So yeah, that's it guys. So this is the room I'm staying. It will be messy, right? So initially it will take some time to arrange all those things. So after that we will habituate. Okay, so hope you like this video. I will upload more videos in UK regarding UK, like UK vlogs, how to collect BRP card, NN number and all. So please watch the videos, and if you have any comments, please comment it, and if you like it, give a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.